Hello, this is Henry, and I'd like to share my trades from today. First up, we have NIO. NIO, I observed putting in a level here at 11:11, here on the 60-minute at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and again here at this 9 a.m. where it broke out. And you'll see here where the descending triangle forms. I'm looking for a final target area of this 50 SMA here on the 60, or potentially this 2 days ago high here. We'll come down to the 30-minute for a bit more definition. So we can see after hitting these levels and early in the pre-market, gets bought up, sells off, and we can see here it actually goes and breaks this level. I took an entry here at 11:17 before it broke out with a stop at 11:27. It broke out, didn't look good. I took an exit. You can see here this candle is pure indecision with this long-legged doji in here. Finally sold off, got down to 1068 down here. Or 1070, and found support down here at 1070 and reversed and made a pretty nice move to the upside today. And next up we have WKHS. WKHS, I observed putting in a level here at 1555, here at the 6 a.m. candle, 7 a.m. candle, here at the 8 a.m. candle. And even going back to post-market, it put in a level back here. So we'll come in for a bit more definition here on the 60. And we'll show where the triangle's forming here at this 55 level. See if we can make that neater. We can see where the descending triangle here is on the 60, and we'll come down here to, we'll come down to the 30-minute. So here I take an entry here at 1575 originally and had a stop at 1595. On entry, it sold off and pulled back. Never made it back above like 1585 or so, I believe. So I added to my position down here at 1570, in between 1575 and 1576, and moved my stop up to 1585. Also saw weakness on level 2, so I felt good about adding to the position. And then I got a split fill here at my first partial at 1542. I got filled in between 1542 and 1539. Next partial down here around 1525, 1514, 1505, 1470 or so. Here 1455, 1446. Down here at 1426, and had another partial set for down here at 1406 to see if we can get a break of this 14. Didn't happen. Buyers came back in, bought this one back up, and stopped out here at the break even before it just consolidated in this range here for the rest of the day. Those are my trades for today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.